Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about the dangerous Jeff Hardy Swanton bomb and also Braun Strowman's suspension mystery. Not only that, new rivalry build up between Roman Reigns and Kevin, and the dream match between Drew and AJ. That's where I'm going to witness at TLC. So interesting news. Stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. So first thing that I'm going to start with is about Braun Strowman. On the last week we have seen that WWE has officially suspended Braun Strowman when he attacked WWE official Adam Pearce. So he has been suspended, but the real reason for suspension is not that. It's not a suspension. We all know that WWE always try to manipulate the fans with interesting storyline, but the reason is that Braun Strowman is injured. The severity of the injury is not known, but he is suffering from a knee injury, and due to this he needs to go to some surgery and he will not be available in TLC pay-per-view. So that's why WWE has to do some tricks so that the fans never get disappointed. So for that reason WWE puts up a theory of a storyline between him and Adam Pearce. So normally it's not a suspension, it's due to injury that WWE is forced to write this kind of storyline. Okay, now talking about Jeff Hardy, the match that we have seen today between Elias and Jeff Hardy, I think it's one of the recent best matches of Jeff Hardy. The kind of performance he delivered, I mean the Swanton bomb that he has delivered to Elias outside the ring, and when his head collided with the stairs, I think that was one of the most dangerous moment. As you can see on the picture that this is how that happened, and I think it can only happen with Jeff Hardy. I mean Jeff Hardy is charismatic superstar, we all know. So but the severity of the injury is not that much high, because Jeff Hardy is quite alright and he made it into the backstage quite well. But the way he has taken the risks, or he's taking the risks for WWE at this age, I think it's incredible. I think we all got shocked, all the officials, all the fans got shocked when Jeff Hardy hit that Swanton bomb. So really appreciate his charismatic charm that he's using at this point of age. Okay, now next news. The next news is that the dream match that we are going to witness at WWE TLC, Drew McIntyre AJ Styles for the WWE Championship one-on-one for the first time ever. And to be honest, I'm really excited for this match. For some point I thought that Keith Lee might win the match, but AJ Styles make it, and we all know that when there is AJ, WWE looks nowhere else. So talking about this dream match, I think both are really good superstar, and when AJ Styles is on the match you can expect something big. Drew McIntyre is also on a very good form, so expecting a very good match, and I think it's a very good decision taken by WWE to put AJ into the WWE title picture, because that will also keep the WWE title picture storyline more and more interesting. So I think things have been going really good. I hope the rivalry build up and the match will also be good between these two. Still the stipulation is not been cleared, it's just a normal match, but I hope that if it's become something stipulations is added in this match, I think it will be a cherry on the cake. Okay, now the last news. Roman Reigns and Kevin Owens. So the new rivalry or the new opponent most probably for the Universal title at TLC. So last week on SmackDown we have seen in the main event defeating Jey Uso and attacking brutally to Jey Uso. We have seen Kevin Owens giving up pure or the clear threat to Roman and his bloodline that he is here, and he's calling Roman Reigns to be come out and come face to face. And recently, few days back, Roman Reigns has tweeted something like this, that Universal Championship is Kevin Owens' only interest, and Kevin insulted his family, his blood. So Roman Reigns caught the attention, or rather to say Kevin Owens caught the attention of Roman Reigns. So it's completely clear, and Kevin Owens replied it quite well, that Roman Reigns knows where to find Kevin. So things got really intense, and I think that in this SmackDown these two will come face to face and we might see a brawl. Not a brawl, but definitely a championship match for Kevin Owens. It's not clear that whether Kevin will win the match or not, but I think the rivalry build-up will going to be very interesting, because the build-up is quite interesting, and Kevin and Roman both are on a very good superstar in this to make a rivalry good. So let's see what happens. But the Twitter war that there's going between these two superstar is also good. So let's see what happens on SmackDown. So these are the news that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.